mugwanja nimagunikite na mubango wa mathomo ma kothi cia moko kaunti-ini ya Isiolo.Mbeu njithi aya aria ni a kuuma micii itehotete maamukrite uteithio uyu kuuma kuri gikundi gitari gia githirikari kia nawiri na kiria kiamukagira uteithio kuuma kuri gikundi kia USAID akiaria hindi ya gukorwo magituga mbeu njithi aya na hindi ya gukorwo makiambiriria mubango uyu munini wa gavana kaunti-ini ino niwe gitari ni agathiririe mubango uyu akiuga ni uguteithia mbeu njithi aya na gukorwo makiagirithia miturire yao handu hanene.
Kwa majina naitwa Daktari Lowassa. I'm the Deputy Governor Isiolo and also the CEC Health. Today we had a very fruitful day where around 207 graduates who were trained under the program of Nawiri, where people were empowered on skills, graduated. So this is a special day, especially for Isiolo, where as a unique way, the county governments and the partners have embraced partnership activities.
And I'm Margaret Kahiga, the Deputy Chief of Party Programs for the Nawiri project, which the CRS-led Nawiri that is operating in Marsabit and Isiolo. And today I'm very happy to be here together with the county government as we look at some of the activities that we are doing. Nawiri is a multi-sectoral program, so we have programs that are looking at all the different drivers of
through skills where our youth have been trained on electrical work, the saloon work. We also have masons who are also trained, motorbike repairs. So all these were through the efforts by Nawiri.
Program for the 207 youth, and also for the vocational training, which we are also working with the government, and we have students that are being supported.
Kwa majina ni Maiko Epong. Nimetoka katika Ngaremara ward. Sababu yangu kuu ya kuwa huku ni kusherehekea graduation yangu. Nilikuwa kwa klasi ya phone repair na nikajifunza ujuzi ya kuripea simu.
Kwa majina naitwa Nataka Sapi. Nimetoka Cherabo Mirti sub county Tafaida. Sometimes national dress naenda kuuza na alafu nipate mapato ya kulisha watoto wangu.
Gitari gitari gia githirikari no ndo koroma gituga aruto kuma